We work on that a lot. If you go to your right, I'd say that stays away from the right hand. Doing good, Patrick. Actually, Patrick's older than I do.
By a year, I think.
Yeah. Good, Patrick. Whoa, easy. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, fun.
Patrick, not like this. Here, remember? Don't get sideways.